Is Ulysses worth your money in 2026? They say the right writing app can completely transform the way you work. Whether you're a student, a blogger, a novelist, or someone who simply wants a clean place to write without distractions, choosing the right tool matters. And in 2026, one name keeps showing up everywhere. Ulysses. People online say. Ulysses is the perfect balance between simplicity and power. Others call it the best writing app ever made for long-form projects. But the real question is this: is Ulysses actually worth your money in 2026? Or is it just another pricey subscription with a nice design? Let's take a closer look. First, what makes Ulysses stand out? Ulysses is known for offering a focused, distraction-free writing experience. The interface is minimal. No clutter. No confusing menus. Just you, the page, and your writing. Everything feels smooth and organized, which is why so many writers love it. Unlike basic note apps, Ulysses uses a library system where all your work chapters, drafts, research, ideas lives in one place. You don't have to manage separate documents or folders. Everything syncs across your devices automatically, and it's incredibly fast, and we need to talk about Markdown. Ulysses uses a modified form of Markdown that lets you format your text without breaking your flow. Headings, bold, italics, comments, everything stays clean and readable. If you write a lot, this system feels natural and effortless. But the real power of Ulysses shows up in bigger projects. If you're writing a book, a script, long essays, content for clients, or a series of articles, Ulysses makes organizing everything incredibly simple. You can break your project into small pieces, rearrange them, label them, group them, or export them in a polished format. On that note, exporting is one of Ulysses' biggest strengths. You can turn a draft into a PDF, an ebook, a Word document, or even a perfectly formatted blog post. And the styles are beautiful. For writers who publish often, this feature alone can be a massive time saver. Now, compared to other tools like Bear, Google Docs, Notion, or Evernote, Ulysses is clearly built for writing, not storing files or managing paperwork. It's not a database. It's not a project manager. It's not a clipping tool. It's a writing workspace, and it's very good at that. But of course, Ulysses isn't perfect. The first limitation, it's only available on Apple devices. If you're on Windows or Android, Ulysses simply isn't an option. And that automatically narrows its audience. The second limitation is the subscription cost. While many users say it's worth it, others feel it's too expensive for a writing app, especially when options like Google Docs or Obsidian are free. Another issue some people mention is the learning curve. Ulysses looks simple, but mastering its full workflow groups, filters, goals, sheets, markdown shortcuts takes time. And finally, while it's great for writing, it doesn't shine as much when you need collaboration. If your team needs real-time editing like Google Docs, Ulysses won't give you that. So, is Ulysses worth your money in 2026? If you're someone who writes every day, who wants a clean, organized environment, who works on long-form projects, or who cares about beautiful exporting, Ulysses is absolutely worth it. It gives you structure, focus, and speed in a way very few apps can, but if you're looking for something free, something for collaboration, or something that works outside the Apple ecosystem, Ulysses might not be the best fit. My verdict: Ulysses is one of the best writing apps you can use in 2026 if writing is a big part of your life. It's polished, powerful, and built specifically for writers. But if you just need somewhere to jot down ideas or share documents with others, your money is probably better spent elsewhere. If this review helped you decide whether Ulysses is right for you, make sure to like, comment, or share so more people can choose the right writing tool in 2026. Stay creative, stay focused, and keep writing.